So we're gonna take you through your education palette look. We're gonna open it up and start with this Barely color up here. We're gonna put it all over your eyes, which is gonna provide a nice base, also help your eyebrows look lifted and your eyes look more open. We're gonna take the Highly Pigmented Raw color. We're gonna use this to add some definition to your eye. Even though this is a natural look, we want your eyes to look big and beautiful, which I know they already do. We're then gonna take this Start color. We're gonna apply it right all over the lid of your eye. We're then gonna take this Effortless color here. We're gonna take it from the inside of your eye to about halfway out. Then we're gonna take this Buff color up here. We're gonna place a little bit of it into your crease. Then we're gonna take our angled liner brush and just add a little bit of definition underneath your eye. All of our shadows are dry to wet, so we're gonna just wet our brush a little bit, and then we're gonna take this Buff color and we're gonna apply it like an eyeliner. Then we're gonna use our Universal Now Brow Duo. This works for any skin tone, fairest to deepest skin tone. We're gonna use powder to fill in our brows. It's the most natural finish. If you wanna add a little bit more drama to your look, I know this color looks crazy, but this is our Dash of Flash. I wanna show you how it looks. It may look crazy in the palette, but when you actually see it on, all it does is it adds a little bit of extra excitement to that look.